her rolling up, Uber black Cadillac, high heel boots and a sexy body full of tats. Baby's bad, oh baby's hella bad. After her there ain't no coming back. Wanna take a run at that. I think she's feeling me, turn it up a few degrees. My imagination of her body gets the best of me. Oh gosh, she's such a tease, bitten lips, bruised knees. I'm addicted to her, need her touching me, cause she got a bad little waist. And we tearing down this place, off the liquor that we chase. Got some egos to the face, baby I don't need no space. Coming closer for a taste, and I'll show you how I make everything just fade away. Cause she's like sex, drugs, cocaine, body so insane. Jealous of the clothing that she wears up on that tight frame. All game, no shame, baby came here to play. I feel like an addict cause she's sex, drugs, cocaine.
Alright, so the A&A C6 base model automatic Corvette is on the dyno. It's all strapped up. Gonna get a little noise because of the fans real quick. But Eric's getting ready. We're gonna start making some pulls. 44. It started going a little lean, so I let out. But that was only 4,800 RPM. It's gonna make some decent power. Richen it up a little bit and keep going. Let's call that 680. 679.92, so like 680. Yeah, we might be out of fuel system. Yay. I'll try and richen that up, but based on what I'm looking at here, we're going to be out. I think, yeah. Might be time for meth. Yeah, I think at this boost level, we should be running meth anyway. Injector. Oh no. Is it out of injector or out of pump? You shouldn't be out of pump on this. Okay. They're the 60-pound injectors that come with the kit. Needs more. I'd put meth on it if it was my car, because I'm going to be pretty low. It was only 10 degrees of timing where it made that. That's nothing. What do you think it would take if it had the fuel? With meth, it would take probably 16-ish. But I'm not going to get much more even if I have the fuel. It would probably be over 700 wheel. I would have to keep it tame. Yeah, it's a 3.6 on it now. We could go to a 3.8, and that would be a happy spot for this. Okay. Well, let's hope he picks meth, because I want to see this thing. We want more power. Yeah. Who wants less power? Yeah, it's... I don't know if we got a good torque reading to get... I don't know what this goofy stuff is here. Let's see. Would imagine if we got torque, it's flat. Oh God. Well, at least we have it up here, but it starts running out right there.
It starts trending up.
Yeah, and we're asking for an 11.5, and it's going to like a 12.1, which, nah, not gonna fly.
Nope.
666. Wow, that's. We need more injector, but ideally meth for this boost level.
Looking around 646 rear wheel horsepower. However, a little bit of a dilemma. It was knocking.
Yeah, it's on the edge of how much timing it can take. It still gained a lot, surprisingly.
Got the heat on in here?
Yeah.
Oh, you suck.
It's only making 6 to 7 pounds of boost.
What were we making with the other?
10 to 11. I mean, it might just have some kind of shitty quality fuel in it, but it takes what it takes. Okay. I'll make an adjustment, then we gotta do shift points. So.
All right. So we had a little tire spin on that one. So let's get these straps and turn them down a little bit more.
It's pretty much no traction for that 1-2 shift. I mean, the idea is to get it close on the dyno, and then to truly dial it in, you do it on the straight track.
Yeah.
Those shifts were 6,600. This has a 6,900 limiter. So that's a great starting point. That way, rather short shift, and then adjust up from there.
Okay.
I've done this so many times that usually my base flash is where it needs to start at. So. The torque converter, being a single disc, is not able to hold with it. What is that?
I don't know. But I also don't care to go look.
Anyway, the single disc torque converter cannot handle wide open throttle. What is that?
With the Chevy Express fan, I'm guessing with the mufflers cut off.
Anyway. The single disc torque converter cannot hold at this power level. I've seen lots of cars left this way, and the torque converter will not last long. Case in point, which car was that? The other C6.
Another build that we have here right now.
We didn't build it. Someone else built it. It came in. It has lots of problems, but one of the main problems was and now that car makes even more power than this one.
Yes.
Because it has methanol. Someone left the stock lockup settings. They didn't even attempt to make a single disc hold more. But even if they did, it wouldn't have held.
And it basically ruined the converter and the trans.
Yeah, so the converter won't even hold at part throttle.
Yeah.
It holds on DXL, and that's it. So
yeah.
That's why you test these things. There is a certain power level to which even like the LSA converters, I see a lot of people leave them locked at like 900 plus wheel, and they don't hold that. If you actually monitor torque converter slip, they're not going to hold that power level. So you need to unlock them or change the converter. In this case, I'm going to have to unlock it. It's not going to put down as pretty of a number, but it's going to live. And that's what you want to deliver to a customer, something that's going to stay together.
So I guess we'll plan for that, and then also toss up the option of going down the road for a torque converter.
Yeah, I mean, if he wants to go farther, I'd do a converter. I'd put this fun little pulley back on and some ethanol.
Yeah.
It'd be a 700 horsepower car that you can put the power down. But this was completely stock when it came here.
Yes.
So it's making a hell of a lot more power. It's probably going to scare the shit out of them anyway. So.
Yeah, I think we kind of get ruined working here because if it's not making 800 horsepower, it's slow.
It's definitely a curse.
But it came in making probably 330, 380 wheel.
Yeah, it was in the 300s wheel, for sure. This didn't even have headers on it. It was completely bone stock.
Yeah, and it's going to be leaving well over 600 wheel. So, I guess we need to lower our standards a little bit.
It's too late.
Yeah, you're way gone. But
well, my slowest vehicle is my damn truck, and that has a blow.
And that still makes 600 horsepower. All right.
Oh well.
Well,
I'm gonna make some changes. We're gonna have to do shift points again because with the converter unlocked, I may have to command the shift point slightly earlier for it to actually make it without smacking the limiter.
Okay.
Let's see what happens. They don't slip that much even unlocked because they're so tight.
Yeah.
Like I'm only getting 150 RPM a slip without a command. With it commanded to lock, I was obviously asking for 0 slip, but I was getting anywhere from 30 to 60, which this converter would handle that for a little bit, but if you kept doing that, I guess that clutch lining will die. We're done here.
Hopefully in the future, we'll do either a fuel system or meth. Put that party pulley back on.
Well, let's see. This is only like the...
That's not even like the smallest.
This is like the medium party.
Yeah.
Like if you want to have a big party, you got to put like a 3.4, 3.25. You want to get extra saucy.
And a triple disc.
Yeah.
That'll have this thing eat.
Yep. And we're talking like 700, 800 horsepower.
Yeah. Basically Johnny's build.
Yeah. In an auto.
In an auto.
It's freaking hot in here.
Oh, is it? Because it's freaking cold out
nice
here.
And warm in here.
All right, well, good job.
Peace out.